Let x and y be independent random variables. If the variation of x is 2, the variation of y is 3, and the expected value of x is 0.5, and the expected value of y is 1, what is the variation of x times y? Well, what formulas do we know? First of all, we want to find the variation of x times y. So let's use this formula. Well, looking at this, it seems like that we need to know things about x squared and y squared. Well, note that since x and y are independent random variables, x squared and y squared are too. And that's going to come up in a moment. Because we know these things are all independent, the expected value of x times y is the expected value of x times the expected value of y. And plugging in what we're given, that's 0.5 times 1, which is 0.5. And because x squared and y squared are also independent, the expected value of x squared times y squared is the expected value of x squared times the expected value of y squared. Okay, well, we don't have the expected value of x squared itself yet. However, we can find it from what we're given. In particular, we can use that the expected value of x squared is the variance of x plus the expected value of x squared. Plugging in what we're given for those, we get that the expected value of x squared is 2.25. And similarly, the expected value of y squared is 4. And so, multiplying those two numbers together, we get that the expected value of x squared times y squared is 8.5. All right, so we have enough information to talk about the variance of x times y. Plugging in what we've computed so far, this is 8.5 minus 0.5 squared, which is 8.5 minus 0.25, which is 8.25.